Are you interested in chat support jobs that you can do remotely from home? Here's a great opportunity for people who are looking for easy chat support job. This is an entry level job, and here you're not required to have a lot of experience, and the payment rate is also very good. It is $15 to $18 per hour, and this is a global opportunity, so people from all over the world can apply for the job. Now let's check out the details. The company's name is NoGigD. It is an on-demand staffing app that used to connect gig workers with flexible job opportunities across various industries. So the company basically offers a platform where they used to connect gig workers with flexible job opportunities. And here in this job, you will be working as customer support or chat support. You're not required to have any kind of specific degree or previous experience. And this is a kind of chat support agent job, and this is an entry level job. Here you will be working as the first point of contact for their users, providing top-notch support and ensuring a seamless experience for all. So basically this is a kind of customer support job that you can do from home, and here you will be helping users in their queries. Now here are the requirements. So here the company has mentioned that there's no specific degree requirement. The company has mentioned no degree required. So here you're not required to have any specific qualification or any specific experience, and they will be providing comprehensive training, and the only thing that is very much required to have good communication skills in terms of written English. So here you should be having strong problem solving abilities and attention to detail, and you should be able to work independently as a part of a team, because this is a remote work from home opportunity and here you will be working individually. You should have reliable internet connection and a quiet workspace to work. And apart from this, here are the roles and responsibilities that you can expect while working as chat support agent. Here you will be responding to customer inquiries via chat in a timely and professional manner. You will be providing accurate information about NoGigD services and job opportunities. You will be assisting users with navigating their platform and resolving any issues they encounter. So this is basically kind of chat support or customer support related job. Here you're not required to talk on phone. You are just required to help people through chat, and you need to maintain a high level of customer satisfaction through excellent communication and problem solving skills. You will be collaborating with team members remotely, and to continuously improve support processes, and you need to document and escalate complex issues to the appropriate departments when necessary. So although the company will be providing you training for the job, for any complex issues you can escalate to your seniors or other team members, and you need to participate in training sessions to stay updated on product knowledge and customer service best practices. Now here are the benefits that you can expect while working as chat support agent. So here the company is offering $15 to $18 per hour. This is a flexible work from home job. You will be getting comprehensive training and support from the team. So yeah, if you believe that you could be a good fit for this position, and you wish to apply for a easy work from home job, here's the application form that you can fill up and start working as chat support agent. So thank you for listening.